How to set up TP-Link Deco M4 mesh Wi-Fi system. All right, guys. So your first step would be to unbox and check the contents. So inside the box, you'll find the Deco units, power adapters, and an Ethernet cable. All right. So once all of these are found, all you need to do now is simply connect the main Deco to a modem. So take one Deco unit and simply connect it to your modem using an Ethernet cable, then plug it into power. That would become your main Deco unit, and you can see all of the visualizations for the different pulse lights you'll be seeing on your deco units. All right, guys. So the next thing you need to do after making these connections would be to simply install and open the TP-Link Deco. So download the TP-Link Deco app on your phone and open it to begin setup. Once that's done, go about creating your account and starting the setup. So sign in or create an account, then tap on setup for your new deco and then follow the on-screen instructions. Now, once you're done here, you can now go ahead and create your Wi-Fi name and a password. So choose your Wi-Fi name and set a strong password, and then you can now begin adding additional deco units. So place the second and third deco units around your home and then simply add them through the application by adding an easy mesh node or adding a deco unit. Those are the ways of getting them done. And then once you're done, simply connect your devices to the new network by reconnecting your phone, laptop, and other devices to the Wi Fi network, and then simply test and optimize. All right, guys.